This long race weekend also comes to a close with the end of the MotoGP race. All we can do is to see the race ranking together. See you in a moment for the podiums. We're back from Parc Ferme with the first three finishers. This boy got a great second place today with a truly outstanding performance. We're live for the podium ceremony where there's an Italian flag flying on the top step. A stunning win in great Italian style, and Bagnaia beat his opponents with a masterful victory today.